The record heat, not the only thing we had to deal with out there today. Also dodging those spotty showers throughout the day. Now, no lightning in our area, but some quick downpours did move through the area, generally from south to north earlier this afternoon. Since then, all that rainfall has moved north up into Mississippi, so we're dry. Maybe a couple sprinkles left over in a few locations, but at this point tonight, we're just looking at cloudy conditions and keeping it dry through the rest of the night. Temperature-wise, we're holding up pretty well out there after that hot afternoon. We're at 70 in the capital city. New roads you have fallen down into the upper 60s. Even some low 70s out there as you head a little bit closer down towards the Gulf Coast. Not only was it hot out there today, it was also humid. The muggy meter well into the humid range out there earlier today. And as we go into the Tuesday, we're looking at the muggy meter staying in the humid range out there. Now for your Wednesday, same thing. We're not expecting any big changes there really until a second cold front comes through late into the weekend. That's when we're going to finally notice some change and get some relief from the heat and the humidity. So until then, with all that moisture out there, fog going to be an issue pretty much every night and into every single morning commute through the rest of the work week. As we go deeper into the work week, we're also looking at higher rain chances. Our scattered showers will become more widespread, especially as we go into the second half of the work week. And then finally, it's the weekend. We could start to cool things off away from these high temperatures we've been dealing with for more than a week now. Here's the current setup, though. You can see we're on the warm side of things. Get on the other side of that cold front. That's where the cold air is. But again, here in Louisiana, we're keeping it very warm, even near record heat. Ahead of that front, we're dealing with the spotty rain showers tomorrow afternoon. Main part of the rainfall going to stay up where the cold front is, a little bit closer to Shreveport and into eastern portions of Texas. As we go into Wednesday, same thing. The front doesn't move a whole lot. We still see the spotty rain showers in South Louisiana. But watch what happens as we go into your Thursday afternoon. This system comes a little bit closer and finally pushes through Louisiana, and that will kick off more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity. Could even produce a couple inches of rainfall for portions of South Louisiana. So we're looking at a very wet Thursday. A little bit of this could carry over into our Friday, but the main thing is going to be the cold air. It's going to stay up to our north and to our west, not going to move in behind this cold front. This is more of a rainmaker, not really going to cool things down. That cold air is going to take a second cold front later this weekend to finally push into our area and give us some relief from the heat. So tonight, very mild out there. Temperatures only dropping down to near 62 degrees. If you woke up to fog this morning, you'll probably wake up fog tomorrow morning. So visibilities will be reduced. Make sure you're using those low beam headlights as always and giving yourself a little bit extra time. Tomorrow afternoon, we top out near 78 degrees. Hit and miss rain showers once again, just like we saw out there this afternoon. So some of us will stay dry. Others of us could see a quick downpour. As we go into Wednesday, more of the same. Hit and miss rain showers. Less than half of us will probably see the rainfall Wednesday afternoon, highs near 77. Thursday, that's when the front and the system finally push through Louisiana. So that will be the day we see widespread showers and thunderstorms. Decent amount of rainfall as well with that. Friday, a couple leftover rain showers back down into the mid-70s as some of that very slightly cooler air starts to build back in. But it looks like it's going to take until the weekend that second system comes through, brings in that colder air for us, and actually begins to drop temperatures and the humidity levels, Fred. And finally, another week to go, but it looks like Monday, if things hold together as far as timing, Fred, could be completely dry to kick off our new work week.
We could see some showers on the weekend, though.
Yeah, it's looking like as that second system pushes through, probably going to bring us another round of thunderstorms, but after that, much better weather conditions.
Well, clear. All right. Thank you, Mark.
Yep.